Hey guys, how's it going? It's the Crypto Analyst here. I hope all of you guys are having a good morning, evening, wherever you guys are from. And today we're going to be talking about why I believe we're going to have the biggest bull run in crypto history, as well as my reasons behind that and what other people are saying about the situation. So if you guys are interested in anything I just said, please make sure you guys stay around for the entire length of the video, as there will be important information discussed the entire way through. Also, do not forget to like and subscribe, as it really does help out the channel. So jumping right on into this, guys, I actually have the BTC or the Bitcoin chart pulled up on TradingView. And so this has been a hot topic that's been going around lately. And so at first it just started as one of those things where people are like, oh, it's going to moon, or oh, crypto's going to have a bull run. And, you know, everybody always says that at all times. However, I started hearing this from more people in a variety of different people. And so what I mean by this is I started hearing this from just YouTube channels, and then I started hearing it from analysts, and then I started hearing it from business owners, then I started hearing it from major investors, and then I started hearing it from insiders. And so what happens is I have all these people from all these different job types making all different kinds of money, people all over the crypto world spectrum. Some people, you know, that are barely in the crypto world, some people that are majorly in the crypto world. And what I have is I hear all of them saying the same thing. And so it caught my attention last night. I was listening to a YouTube live stream, and they had a special analyst on there, and his job is literally just to analyze the market. The guy knows way more than I do. But he was going through this, and he was explaining it on it. I mean, it made sense. And so what they're all saying is going to happen here is that this chart that we have right here, you know, we are pretty much done with the lower lows. And so this lower low that we have down here around 5,000 USD, that's probably not going to happen again. It's possible, but it's not likely. And in fact, the probable outcome that we're going to see here is that we see this is going to actually double bottom or just around the upper 7,000s. And so what we're going to do is we're going to repeat this cycle. We're going to double bottom, and then we're going to hit one of the largest, and that's basically going to be the green light to hit one of the largest bull runs, if not the largest bull run in crypto history. Now, whether it's going to be $5 trillion or not is another topic. I personally do not think so. However, I think we're going to go on a massive bull run and potentially break 1 trillion. Not maybe get $1 trillion in, but potentially bust the $1 trillion cap. So let me go ahead and point this out and show you guys the analytics of this. And so if we look at how long it took from right here to right here, all right, that's going to be our first line. And in fact, I'm actually going to go ahead and trash a couple of these lines here, just so we can go ahead and clear up our chart, so that you guys don't have to deal with all of this. All right, so we have our first green line right here, and then we have our second one. We're just going to make it right around here. All right, so if we look at this took about a month and a half. So it started on February 2nd and went to, or excuse me, not February 2nd, February 6th to March 16th. And so this is about a month and a half. If we repeat this cycle, which it looks like we're about to head back up, so if we repeat this cycle, you know, go back up to around $11,500, give or take a little bit, and then so we repeat this cycle, and then we draw about a month and a half. So about a month and a half from now would be, what's today? That would be the beginning of May. So we'd be looking at around May 7th, May 8th, probably, if this repeats itself fully. And so let me go ahead and draw this next line. And you guys can see that there, okay, this is a little bit fatter, so I'm going to move it over. But if we look at this and we repeat this cycle a second time and we double bottom, and I'm going to go ahead and zoom in here so that we can see it. If we double bottom down right around here, around the 6,000 range, excuse me, there we go. If we double bottom around the 6,000 range over here, I think that's going to be a super, super good indicator that the market's about to just get flooded. Again, this is something I've been hearing from everyone, from YouTubers to insiders to professionals to business owners to just everybody on the crypto analysts, especially analysts, and they're all calling for the same thing. They're calling that we are going to return, see this double bottom. They said we're not going to see a lower low. We're going to hit a little bull run, excuse me. We're going to fall back down. Double bottom happens, and then that'll be the green light. Now, the green light does not necessarily mean that right after we hit the double bottom, we're going to shoot up like, you know, to a $700 billion market cap. That's not what it means. It's essentially saying the process has been started. The green lights go, and once we hit that double bottom, shortly after that point, we're going to hit the bull market, And while the bull market might not start off as this instant $100 billion floods into the market in a day, it's going to be the start of the bull market. And sometime after this point, anywhere between the beginning of May, anytime probably until into the summer or until around September or August, that's going to be the time when they believe that this bull run is going to happen. Again, it could happen around December, January. That'd be a little bit later. So this is why May 14th and May 15th and May 16th is what Tika said. And now that I'm looking into this more, I hear more people talking about this, and that it's not just Tika. And so this would make sense now, because if this cycle repeats itself, like these analysts who probably haven't even heard about this date yet, if this cycle repeats itself, it's going to land us right before May 14th, May 15th, May 16th, which is right around the corner here. So if we end up getting a double bottom here and going back down, it would land perfectly if the cycle, if it does happen, it would land perfectly just before May 14, 15, 16, which is when this conference is. And so everything would lay out pretty much in a perfect sense. So when this conference happens, something big gets released. All these new investors that go to this conference are now investing in the crypto. By the way, I forget what the conference is called, but it is the largest gathering. It's the largest conference for crypto, I believe, ever. And so it's this huge event that investors and business owners and all these big name people are all going to be going to. And so I'd be prepared for after this, if we do see this double bottom, I think it's going to be a very, very good, healthy sign for crypto. And so that's going to be my prediction for when the market is going to go ahead and return back to this official bull state, and that we stop seeing bull traps like these were. And so there's not too much else to say here, because a lot of it's just going to play out with time. But that's going to go ahead and be my official prediction. So, excuse me, don't get caught into these bull traps. What you can do here is you can, obviously buy during these lows, sell at the highs. That's currently what I'm doing with Tron. Tron is one of the most volatile coins. And so I buy it at the low. It just went down to just above 2 cents. It was at 2.9. So I bought some, and then once Tron returns to around 4 or 5 cents, I'll probably sell it off. And make good profit off that. And so, you guys are welcome to do the same. Again, I'm not a professional financial advisor. This is just what I believe is going to happen and what I am currently doing with my cryptocurrency. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Hopefully it was informative. Hopefully some of you guys did enjoy this. Let me know in the comment section whether you think it's going to happen, whether you guys agree, disagree, and whether or not it made sense. Once again, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys do like and subscribe, as it does help out the channel a lot, and I will see you guys in the next video.